Hi friends, welcome to our channel. I am Sham. You are watching Tech Wonders English YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you that how to create our favorite website shortcuts on your desktop to access it in a single click. Dear guys, whenever we wanted to open a website or whenever we wanted to access a website, so we need to open our favorite browser and we need to type the complete website address and we need to access it. It's time taking process. But after watching this video, definitely you're going to save your time. So before jumping to the tutorial, please watch this video till the end. If you really like this video, do like and share with your friends. If you are new to this channel, please do subscribe to our channel and activate the all notifications. Whenever we upload a new video, directly you will get a notifications through your mobile. Dear guys, if you are interested to join in our WhatsApp group, please follow the description below and send a message to my number. Without any delay, let's get into the topic. Yeah guys, first of all, I'm opening my favorite browser called Google Chrome.
Folder view list, Google Chrome 9 of 21. Toolbar, address and search bar, edit as autocomplete, CTRL plus L, search Google or type a URL blank.
So after opening my favorite browser, Google Chrome, whatever you want to create a shortcut on your desktop, just you need to type the website address. So here I'm typing techwonders.in. Yes guys, you're right. We have a website called techwonders.in. So there you can read the articles, and so just I'm typing our website address here.
Unselected.
So techwonders.in I have typed here, techwonders.in.
Techwonders in blank.
So I'm pressing enter here now.
Home, Tech Wonders, clickable toolbar, navigation landmark list with 10 items, submenu, link about WordPress.
So after pressing enter here, my website got opened. So now I need to press the Alt plus F. It means file tab. I'm pressing Alt plus F.
Menu selected, submenu.
There are few options. You need to navigate to the save and share submenu. Save and share submenu. So I'm navigating with the down arrow. Now I'm pressing down arrow and navigating to the particular option called save and share submenu.
Exit settings, help sub more to save and share submenu, list 18 of 22.
Yes, there is an option called save and share submenu. So it is on a submenu. You have to press right arrow to expand this menu. I'm pressing right arrow here in the save and share submenu.
Save unavailable, selected 1 of 8.
So I press right arrow, the menu has been expanded. Now there are 8 options here. The first option is the save, so that it doesn't require for us.
Save page as CTRL plus S 2 of 8.
So there is an option called save page, so we don't require right now.
Create shortcut S3 of 8.
Yes. There is another option called create shortcut. So here you need to press the enter.
Home visited, submenu, link, Tech Wonders, create shortcut dialog, shortcut name, edit, selected, home, Tech Wonders.
So here so after pressing the enter, here we need to enter our shortcut name. Either shortcut name means our name, exact name, whatever we wanted to keep the icon name on the desktop. So by default it's showing home techwonders.in. So but I wanted to remove this.
Selection removed.
And I have to enter Tech Wonders.
Tech.
Yeah, Tech Wonders. I have entered here. So whatever you wanted to enter the name, you can enter. So after entering your name, you have to press the tab.
Wonders, open as window, checkbox not checked.
So there is an option called open as a window, checkbox not checked. So if you wanted to open this website in a new window, you have to check this box. Otherwise, if you wanted to open your website in a same window in the different tab, so you have to not check this box. But by default I'm leaving this option. I'm pressing tab again.
Create button 1 of 2.
So there is a create button and I'm pressing again tab.
Cancel button 2 of 2.
Cancel. So there is a 2 buttons, create button and cancel button. So now I'm pressing shift tab and clicking on the create button.
Create button 1 of 2.
Yes, I'm pressing enter here.
Home, Tech Wonders document, visited submenu, link, Tech Wonders, new notification from apps, would you like to pin Tech Wonders to your taskbar, Chrome.x would like to pin Tech Wonders to the taskbar, .actions, 1 of 1 window.
Yes, successfully our shortcut has been created on the desktop. Now I'm going to the desktop.
Folder view list, Google Chrome 9 of 22.
Now I'm pressing the particular letter called T. So we have given the name called Tech Wonders, right? So I'm pressing the T here.
Tech Wonders 22 of 22.
So after pressing the T, it's showing Tech Wonders 22 of 22. So after pressing your desired letter here, so your website name will announce here, and whenever you press the enter, so directly the website will launch on your screen. Dear guys, this is the video. Like this, you can create your favorite website shortcuts on your desktop, so you can open these websites in a single click without wasting your time. Yes guys, this is the video. If you like this video, please do like, and again I'll come with an interesting and useful tutorial. Until keep watching our channel. Bye bye, signing off, your friend Shyam.